Hello guys, what's up? Yeah, on today's video I'm going to review another compressor. And why another compressor? Because compressors are sick. Remember, hashtag compressors are sick, okay? So on today's video I'm going to review the Lindell audio, the 7x-500, alright? This is like a recreation, analog recreation of the 1176. I can't say it's a clone because it's not like that. If you want a real clone, I recommend the Herbal Audio, the Warm Audio, the Stem Audio, yeah, and even the Black Lion Audio. Those are pretty cool, okay? This is kind of 1176-ish. Have the same topology, reacts a little bit different. These have like almost the same behavior, but it's not like that. It's kind of special. When I say special, it's nothing bad about it. It's good for the price, okay? For the price, is perfect. And actually, later in the video, I'm going to show you in two scenarios where this one sounds pretty cool. And why this is like a 1176-ish? Because they have the same topology, okay? It's not a BCA, it's not an opto compressor, okay? If you want to know more about like a BCA compressor, check out my review of the TVX 160X. That's a pretty good review, by the way. And I explained there what is the BCA compressor. So this is way different, okay? This is a FET, or FET compressor, which is mean field effect transistor, all right? And the way how this compressor reacts is, okay, I don't want to, I don't want to be super nerdy, but I want to put this in the most super easy way you can understand. Okay, these kind of bad boys are fast, colorful, aggressive, and then sounds perfect for transients, for example, drums, kick, snare, even like room mics or overheads, aggressive bass and vocals. Yeah, exactly, perfect for metal. If you producing metal, stay in this video, okay? And now let's go to Pro Tools and I will show you how this baby sounds, okay? And before continuing, please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a like, to comment, to share this, and help me to grow my channel because I still under 300 subscribers. Come on. All right, so we are here in front of Pro Tools again. On today's video, the band is called Apex Decay. It's the same band I show you on my last video, okay? But before continuing, let me show you the compressor itself. So we're here on the Sweetwater web page, and why I show this because it's gonna be better, because if I put the camera here, it's gonna be like a kind of difficult to see all the settings, okay? So we have input, we have output, we have attack and release. This is already fixed. We have slow, medium, fast. That's it. We have the comp miss, so you can do like a parallel compressor with this, so which is pretty cool. And we have the on off, and the radio is fixed too. It's the same as the regular 1176, but these only have three options, okay? 4 to 1, 12 to 1, 12 to 1, and 100 to 1. What is 100 to 1? Is their version of the old bottles in. And what is the old bottles in? I'm going to explain you that later in the video, okay? And we have the side chain. We got off 100 Hz and 300 Hz. That, yeah, sometimes works. Personally talking, okay? I don't use the option very often, but yeah, works. And yeah, let's see how this compressor sound, okay?
tearing flesh, scattered parts, is to feast, metal flesh, trying death, hell is here, feel the knife, dying slow, your death, this meal, your plea, this story.
All right, so now let's see how this compressor sound with all buttons in. This is the 100.1. In the 1176, you have 4, okay? You have 4 radio. When you press the 4, the compressor starts to react in some weird behavior, and it's like a destroy everything pretty much, okay, for you understand what's going on. So in here, this particular compressor is 100 to 1. All right, so remember when I told you this one sounds pretty good with vocals on my experience and with the room mono mic. In this case, I have the wall mic. Let me know on the comments below if you want to know what it's going on. I mean, what is a wall mic technique for recording drums? Just let me know, okay? And maybe I can make a video and explain you where I put that mic. So, but let's see how it sounds, okay? First of all, let's put this only the wall mic, and let's see how this guy sounds. Let's put this back to 5, all this, slow, fast, yeah. Listen how it sounds this, okay? So what do you think? Pretty good, right? So let me know on the comments, okay? You know what? For $200, okay, in a used market, it's like a 200. On if you're lucky, you can find this for less than 200. And yeah, they have the color. It's aggressive. Like I said, it's very fast. And like I said, you know, on the beat, it's kind of touchy. It's difficult if you wanna buy two and make it in stereo. I don't recommend that. I prefer use plugins for that or buy the real ones, you know, or those clones I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Yeah, but it's fine. I will buy a second one. Probably not. I prefer save money to buy for example, the Herbal Audio. That's pretty cool actually. It's not that super expensive. No, this is like a mid-range price, I mean, okay? And that's all for today. I hope you really enjoy, and learn something with this video. And please don't forget to like, to share this, to subscribe, and yeah, bye guys. See you later.